4K 30 FPS Infinix Note 10 Pro 2021 yata ni. Yun, so this is the 4K quality. Comment down below guys kung ito is good for vlogging or just for daily basis. Oy! Hello! Ya, kota ya! Uy! So, ganda ng view guys, no? Super ganda. So, typically, this is my... Oy! Manok ito. Manoke.
Iso na ya.
So, typically, ito is my personal phone, but slash vlogging for vlogs, you know. So, goods ba ito or not good? O comment down below kung ito is good for my vlogging as well, or if not, maybe I'm going to switch to iPhone, like a second hand iPhone SE yata, I don't know, or so yeah, I'm just looking for any kind OIS technology camera for anti-shaking. But this is phone don't have ability to have OIS technology, so this is only compatible with only EIS using 1080p. So this is shooting for 4K, so this is not all compatible for EIS, so this is a very normal and very shaky situation, something like this. So yeah, and also Inday as well.